powers activated. A human named after an avian species has achieved the impossible in Earth's tribal combat ritual. I've detected an obvious avian-sapien hybrid called Pete Crow Armstrong, using his powerful wing arms to launch a sphere with his wooden power staff. This crow creature performed a forbidden bird magic ritual called a Grand Slam, channeling pure crow energy to turn a 6-2 deficit into an 8-6 victory. His cubs' tribe was initially losing to the Regs tribe, but then the genetically enhanced powers activated, and the crow humans' magical energy transfer sent 4 cubs simultaneously across their home territory. Undeniable evidence that humans are splicing animal DNA to create superior competition warriors. Why else would they designate him with 2 bird identifiers, Crow and Armstrong, clearly referring to his enhanced wing arms capable of launching objects into orbit?